Yeah, I'm Dave Walker. I'm the proud owner of ABS Restoration. We've operated since 1993 and we specialise in insurance restoration work. So back in September 93, we set off in Lancaster from a Portakabin. We built the business from there, really, from taking a couple of guys on in 2 vans, and we've grown it to what it is today. We operate on a £3 million turnover and we employ approximately 42 members of staff, cover parts of Manchester, Merseyside, Cheshire, and we go all the way down to Staffordshire, right up to the Lake District.
My name is Jeff Johnson, the contracts manager for ABS. I go out to the initial survey, following the instruction from the client, draw up the schedule of works, list the materials, and then do a workflow for the programme and send it across to Laura, who then basically books it on the calendar and gets the job started for the customer.
So now we have 3 business units, Blackpool, Liverpool, and we're just to move into a new business unit in Winsford. We carry out insurance restoration work, and that can be from many streams of business, from impact, storm, fire, impact, subsidence, mainly on behalf of insurance companies direct. We do work with loss adjusters, loss assessors, network management companies, and also chartered surveyors. We work anything from £250 to £250,000, multifaceted building companies, so we offer the full spectrum of trades. We're heavily involved with apprentices, so we have our own academy of apprentices. What we're hoping to do is grow the business organically. We want to work with more insurance companies doing something similar to what we do, so we just want to get a better market share of the insurance sector. It's a huge industry, it's very niche, but we're in a good place. We've secured long-term contracts between 3 and 5 years, so we want to grow on the back of that, really. We have 2 building companies, so in order to diversify, we have our ABS group that carries out insurance work, mainly direct for insurance companies on behalf of policyholders. However, we do have another part to the business, which is L&E developments, and that basically carries out home improvements. So if you're looking for an extension, kitchen, an orangery, conservatory, loft conversion, that's the type of work that L&E does. L&E has been going for a long time and it has a great reputation, so we pick up a lot of work just on the basis of word of mouth.